Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add a Cash App card to Rocket Money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Currently Rocket Money does not support direct linking of Cash App card as a bank or credit card. However, what you can do is head over and open up your Rocket Money app and then be sure to be logged into your account. Then tap on the accounts section and then tap on the option add account. Then search for link and savings bank, the Cash App partners bank, and then enter your Cash App banking details. If this doesn't work, then what you can do is link the bank account connected to Cash App. If you transfer money between Cash App and bank account, link that bank account to Rocket Money instant. This will allow Rocket Money to track your Cash App transactions indirectly. Third is to manually add Cash App transactions. Head over to the Rocket Money once again, then head over to the accounts, then select add account, then choose manual account, then enter your Cash App balance and update it manually. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.